Hi, I'm Tyagi. I have just completed my final year in Visual Communication at the Academy of Design. So to start off with how I got into my path of graphic design was, since a small age, I've always been fascinated or been obsessed with making cards for my friends and family. And I was just obsessed with how perfect the cover page used to look. Along with that, as I grew up, I've also been interested in event design and the conceptualization behind it. Then when I actually came and started my academic path at AOD, I realized that design is more than just a pretty picture. It involves design thinking that's focused towards problem solving. So with my passion towards making a positive change through design, that's what I came up with my solution for my final year project. So ever since I was schooling, I have always set up my mind that I really wouldn't want to go into a state university, and that the only reason behind that was of the horrifying and saddening stories I've heard about ragging that is very prevalent in these universities. So with my passion to make a positive change through design, I also want to tackle the problem of ragging in a very positive manner. So a key insight when I found through my research was, most of these students, they are very vulnerable to go through ragging because they are manipulated to believe that this is the only way to fit into the university culture, that they need to be ragged to get accepted, or if not, they'll be ostracized. So based on that key insight, I developed my project called Identity Kuppia. So the reason behind my campaign was, I wanted to introduce a new personal development program for these students to kind of encourage and motivate them to be themselves, that they don't have to be like everyone else, do what everyone else to fit in, but kind of embrace their true identity. So the concept behind my project Identity Kuppia is mainly derived from the word Kuppia, which is a word oftenly used in local state universities. So this is Kuppia is a informal class conducted by seniors to their juniors, which helps them face towards their exams, to help them study. So the origin, this word is derived from the word Lampu Kuppia, which is kind of a lamp that was used back in the day. So this Kuppia, how they came up with this was that this Kuppia is the source of light to help them get through the university life. So what I wanted to convey from my program was that this Kuppia, the new source of light to help them find their own true unique identity. So if you go through my project, I have designed a brand manifesto which will be given for the students when they enter into this program. So they would ideally get this brand manifesto inside the bottle. So to make my project more relatable for these local state university students, I've got the help of 4 university students. So basically, this is the promotional part of the project. Then for the merchandise, you have these and mask, and so to enter into the program, they also get a student ID card. And thank you.